Let me ask you one simple question. Are you still using the same marketing strategy that you used in 2022 or 2023? If your answer is yes, then trust me, your business is already in danger because in 2025, digital marketing is not just changing, it is evolving at a dangerous speed. And today, I am going to expose the top digital marketing trends of 2025 that every business owner, freelancer, and content creator must know. Otherwise, big brands and smart competitors will completely take over your market. Hello everyone, my name is Danush and welcome back to my channel where we talk about tech, online growth, digital marketing, and smart business strategies. Today's video is specially made for small business owners, digital marketers, entrepreneurs, students, and anyone who wants to grow online. I will not just tell you the trends, I will show you some real life examples so that you can understand how these trends are already changing businesses around you. So make sure you watch till the end because trend number 7 can literally change your entire future business strategy. Trend number 1. AI is no longer a choice, it is a must. Let me tell you the story of Suresh. Suresh is a 32-year-old chai shop owner in Pune. 2 years ago, his only marketing was word of mouth. Then in 2024, a college student helped him use AI tools to write captions, design posters, schedule Instagram posts, reply to customers automatically. He started using AI chatbots on WhatsApp. Customer could place orders automatically. Within 6 months, his revenue nearly tripled. That is the power of AI in 2025. Today, AI is helping businesses to write ads, create designs, analyze customer data, predict buying behavior, and create content in minutes, etc. In 2025, if you are not using AI in your digital marketing, you are working harder while your competitor is working smarter. Trend number 2 is short form video is king. Let me honest with you. People now have the attention span of a goldfish. No one wants to read long posts anymore. What do they want? 30 to 60 seconds videos only. Platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels are literally pushing short videos to millions of people for free. My friend Anjali from Jaipur started posting just one reel daily showing how she makes homemade candles. No fancy camera, just her phone. Within 1 year, she reached 45,000 followers and now she sells more on Instagram than in her physical shop. In 2025, if you are not creating short form videos, you are invisible. Trend number 3. Personal brand beats big brand. Earlier, people trusted companies, but in 2025, people trust people. Let me give an example. There is a small fitness coach from Delhi, no big gym, no big investment, but he started sharing his daily routine, honest struggles, client transformation, etc. He built a personal brand. Now he earns more through YouTube, Instagram, and online coaching than many big gyms. Why? Because people don't buy products anymore. They buy trust, emotions, and connections. So in 2025, if you don't build your personal brand, someone else in your industry will take your place. Trend number 4. Voice search and local SEO. Now listen carefully to this. In India, more than 60% of people use voice search in Hindi or English. They ask near me best salon, nearest mobile repair shop in Andheri, cheap hotel in Manali. If your business is not optimized for voice search and Google local listing, Google will show your competitor instead of you. One small restaurant in Surat updated their Google profile, photos, reviews, and local keywords. Now, whenever someone says best Gujarati thali near me, their restaurant is the first result, and their customer flow doubled without any paid ads. Trend number 5. Community is more powerful than followers. Followers mean nothing if they don't care about you. In 2025, the real power is in community. For example, a tuition teacher in Bangalore created a Telegram group for his students. He shares free notes, tips, motivation, etc. Soon, students started inviting other students. That free group becomes his best marketing tool. Now he has online batches, paid courses, personal membership, etc. In 2025, don't build followers, build a tribe. Trend number 6. Influencer marketing is going local. Earlier, only celebrities were influencers. Today, micro influencers are more powerful. A local food blogger in your city has more influence than a Bollywood star for a restaurant business because people think he's just like me. Even small businesses are now partnering with college student, local creators, regional pages, etc. and getting better results than expensive ads. In 2025, influencers are not famous people. They are people with trust. Trend number 7. Data is the new gold. This is the most important trend. Every click, every like, every comment, every visit is data. And smart businesses are using this data to understand their customers, improve products, increase conversions, and reduce ad waste. Big companies are not smarter than you. They are just using data better than you. If you start tracking who is visiting your page, what they like, what they buy, etc., you can literally predict their next move. Now, let me say this honestly, the future of business is digital, and those who adapt to these new trends will rule the market, while those who ignore them will become history. Now, I want to know one thing from you. Which trend shocked you the most? Comment below. If you loved this video, like it and share it with a business owner who needs to watch this. And don't forget to subscribe. Click this video to know how to use AI in your digital marketing strategy.